Alrighty guys, I got it. The product I ordered, the camera I ordered has officially arrived. And I know this is a few years old. This is one of their older models, the DJI Action 2. So that means I will no longer be recording from my phone. I will be vlogging and recording using this action camera. So we're gonna be doing an unboxing video. Man, I'm so excited, y'all. I don't even know how to open this box. Ooh. There she is, y'all. I got the battery pack slash dual screen. So if you put these together, ooh, and they lock pretty tight too. They firm. Got the little insert so I could use a tripod with it, a travel tripod that I could use this with, and I can vlog while on the go. And if not, I can actually have the necklace, if it came with it. I could put this on the necklace, and it did. Came with a little magnet part to the necklace. This is the bottom half. I have my USB cable right here, so that way I can charge the device. I'm gonna charge it here shortly. I'm not gonna create content with it right away. Bam, here it is. The necklace and the rest of the magnet. So that way I could vlog while on the go. I'm really excited to have this because I got tired of recording from my phone. The megapixels weren't all that great, and the highest quality I could record in was 1080p. Every time I would record, say for example, if I'm vlogging, walking down the street using my phone, it would always struggle to refocus, or I would always recenter the lighting to its default setting, which is, this is the default setting for this in particular smartphone when it comes to the camera. But if I'm out and about and there's a lot of sunlight out, my skin tone wouldn't come out right in the camera. It would come out either darker or lighter depending on where I was in the sun. The sun was shining on the smartphone. You wouldn't be able to see most of my facial feed, and I would always have to find a spot with a tree or a shade where I could record, where the visuals and the video comes out with crystal clear HD. So I'll be using my Action 2. I'm very, very, very excited to debut this, ladies and gentlemen. I'm very excited to use this camera. So going forward, this is exactly what I'll be vlogging with. So expect a change in content. I do like to go to a lot of coffee shops, so I figured, using this little bad boy would definitely be dope. The bottom half, I watched the video right before this showed up in the mail. I found out the bottom screen is not waterproof. If you connect these two, they're no longer waterproof. But this little camera itself is indeed waterproof for about 6 to 10 meters. If you put the waterproof case on it, then it's 60 meters underwater. So that's really cool. Not that I'll actually be doing any of that, but I'll definitely be vlogging on the go a lot with this camera. I'm really excited to debut it. But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I love you guys, and I'll be back shortly. Peace.